Hindi po ba kayo natakot, ninerbyos, nag-alala? This is 125 million.
O, nagkumdoy po kami, ma'am.
Yeah, usually, ang mga hold-uppers po may mga barel.
At least 2 sasakyan po, ma'am. Hiwalay. At least kung maano man, ma-hold up man, meron pang isa.
Miss Acosta, saan po kayo mas komportable? Tagalog or English?
Mas Tagalog, ma'am. Usay ma-mix po ng Bisaya po, ma'am.
Ayan. But I hope you will try your best to speak in Filipino,
Yes,
in Tagalog, so the people will understand us. Pwede po ba?
I try my best, ma'am.
Pagsikapan po natin. At dahil na-master nyo na po kung ano dapat gawin bilang SDO ng Confidential Fund ng Davao City, kayo po ba'y naniniwala na yung inyong karanasan at tiwalang ipinagkaloob sa inyo ng ating Vice Presidente nung kay SDO ng Davao, ito din po ang dahilan kung bakit kayo inappoint bilang SDO ng Confidential Fund ng Office of the Vice President?
Sa tingin ko po, dahil po sa trust and confidence ni Ma'am BP, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, ano po sa pagkakaalam nyo ang trabaho ng isang Special Disbursing Officer?
Ang pagkakaalam ko, ang trabaho ng isang disbursing officer ay siya po ang in charge to disburse the amount and therefore accountable po siya.
In addition po sa disbursement, ano pa pong naaalala nyo na isa sa mga pangunahing trabaho ng SDO?
Siya po ay isang accountable person.
Accountable person. Would you agree with me? Kayo ho ba'y sasang-ayon na bilang SDO, kasama po kayo sa gumagawa ng financial plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sasang-ayon din po ba kayo bilang SDO? Kasama din po kayo sa preparation ng liquidation report?
Yes, ma'am.
Bilang SDO, kasama din po kayo sa certification kung saan ginamit ang confidential fund?
Yes, ma'am.
At bilang SDO, kasama din po kayo sa preparasyon ng ating accomplishment report. Tama po ba?
Ang accomplishment report po, ma'am, ay magbe-base po ako sa aming...
But nevertheless, Ms. Acosta, kasali po ba kayo dun sa gumagawa ng accomplishment report?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ang na-mention ko po, Ms. Acosta, is the entire process of utilization. It starts with the preparation of the financial plan,
Yes,
tapos susundan po ito ng disbursement. Under the disbursement, dito po tayo nagkakaroon ng encashment of check. And after the encashment of check, after the utilization of the same, papasok po yung liquidation of report, and then the certification that the same are utilized properly. Pagkatapos may isasubmit din po kayong accomplishment report. What I said, Ms. Acosta, represents the entirety of the utilization process of confidential fund. At ang nangangahulugan po, Ms. Acosta, alam nyo, simula umpisa ng proseso hanggang katapusan kung anong nangyari doon sa confidential fund. Tama po ba?
Sa trabaho ko ngayon bilang SDO, ma'am, ang aking nalalaman po ay pag nakuha ko na po ang pera, kasi may information po ako na ibigay ko po
Sandali
sa aming...
po, Ms. Acosta, ang atin pong katanungan ay simula po sa financial plan, disbursement, liquidation, certification, accomplishment. Ito na po ang kabuuan ng proseso ng paggamit ng utilization fund. Which means, dahil kasali kayo sa lahat ng ito, alam nyo kung anong nangyari sa confidential fund ng OVP. Tama po ba?
Tama po, ma'am.
Okay. May I request the Secretariat to please flash the disbursement voucher?
Comsec.
Question, Ms. Acosta. Who gives instruction for the preparation of disbursement voucher?
Si BP po.
let me go back to the financial plan first.
Yes po.
Who prepares the financial plan?
Ako po at ang aming designated security officer.
You are the one, along with the security officer, who prepares the financial plan. Who then approves the financial plan?
Approved by the head of agency.
And the head of the agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Okay. Now we go to disbursement voucher. Who gives instruction to prepare the disbursement voucher, ma'am? Sino po ang nagbibigay ng instruction para gawin ang disbursement voucher?
Pag nirelease na po ang SARO, mag-instruct po sa akin ang head of agency na pwede na po mag-prepare ng disbursement voucher.
And the head of agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Yes. Secretariat, please, our disbursement voucher. What we will be flashing, Ms. Acosta, is our disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022. Do you see your signature in the document?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please direct us where signature is? Would I be correct? It is at the bottom left,
Yes, ma'am.
which means that you were the one who received the check
Yes, ma'am.
with the number 244027. This is December 20, 2022.
Yes po.
Across your signature is your name, Gina F. Acosta.
Yes, ma'am.
You confirm this?
Yes, I confirm po.
Just for the record, Ms. Acosta, do you confirm the authorship of this signature appearing in the disbursement voucher? Perma niyo po ba ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And since you were the one who received the disbursement voucher, it is understandable that the check is issued to your name.
Yes
Tama
po.
po?
Tama po, ma'am.
Can we flash the check? Secretariat, please. Would you confirm to us that this is the check that corresponds to the last quarter of 2022?
Yes, ma'am. I confirm.
Yes. What did you do with this check, Ms. Acosta? Ano pong ginawa niyo sa checking ito?
Pag tinatawagan na po ako ng aming cash division na okay na po yung cheque sa
Sandali po. Sino po yon?
cash division po
Cash division po ng
ng Office of the Vice President.
Office of the Vice President. The check is in your possession already. Nasa inyo na pong pangangalaga. Ano pong ginawa niyo dito sa cheque na to?
Magpa-encash po sa Land Bank.
Nagpa-encash sa Land Bank. Saan po ba particular branch nyo in-encash itong cheque na to?
Sa Land Bank Show.
Land Bank Show Boulevard.
Opo.
Can you please read the amount indicated in the check? How much is this check?
125 million pesos po.
And can you please enlighten us? Kailan nyo po ba ito in-encash?
December 20, 2022.
And that is the same date as the issuance of the check.
Yes, ma'am.
Mabilis lang ho ba maggawa ng cheque sa inyo? Mabilis lang po ba?
Sa tingin ko mabilis kasi andyan naman agad ang cheque po.
As a matter of fact, ma'am, the date of the disbursement voucher, the date of the check, and the encashment of the check are the same. That is December 20,
Yes,
2022. And please walk us through. Paano ho ba ninyo ginawa itong encashment ng checking ito? Medyo nakakapaisip lang po considering the huge amount equivalent of this check, 125 million. Physically, napakahirap po nitong bit-bitin. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
tama po, ma'am.
Kayo po ba'y may kasama when you did the encashment of this check?
Meron pa akong kasama, ma'am.
Sino pong kasama nyo?
Si Asik Limuel Ortonio po.
Asek Limuel Ortonio. Do you confirm that he is the same Assistant Chief of Staff?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from Asek Ortonio, may kasama pa po ba kayong iba?
Wala na po.
Kayong dalawa lang po.
Yes po.
At saan niyo po nilagay itong perang ito after the check was encashed?
Nilagay po sa 4 na traveling bag.
Paano niyo po ito nabitbit?
Pagkatapos po, kung ang pera po ay nasa 4 na bag, tinutulungan po kami ng security guard ng Land Bank na isakay po sa sasakyan.
Okay, from Shaw Boulevard, saan niyo po dinala itong perang ito?
Sa office namin po, sa OVP office.
Sa OVP, was it your office or was it the office of the Vice President?
Meron po akong isang office doon na nakalagay po ang aming vault.
Gaano po ba kalaki yung inyong vault?
Mga 4 feet, tapos 3 po.
3
Opo.
na 4 feet na
Opo.
vault.
Yes
Balikan
po.
ko po yung bag na na-mention nyo kanina. Can you please describe to us? Gaano po kalaki? Anong itsura ng bag? You said there were 4 bags where you placed the entire amount of 125 million.
Yes po. Color black.
We are showing this Jim duffel bag. Is it similar to that, ma'am?
Dako pa ana, ma'am. Mas malaki pa nito, ma'am.
Mas malaki pa po dyan. Yung bawat bag ho na mas malaki pa dyan, gaano po ang laman?
More than 30. 30
So the 125 million was divided into 4 bags. One bag is 30. How about the second bag?
30 po.
30 also. The third bag is?
Minsan po, ma'am, more than 30 po.
A little more than
Oo,
30.
30.
And the fourth bag is more than 30 also.
Oo.
The total of which is 125 million. Ilan ho ba security guard yung tumulong sa inyo?
Nung nilagay na po ang pera sa bag, 2 pong security guard ng Land Bank po.
Land Bank, Shaw Boulevard.
Opo.
Tanong, Miss Acosta, hindi po ba kayo natakot magbitbit ng ganito kalaking halaga na pera? Considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo. Remember, you're covered by a Fidelity Fund, bond.
Yes,
And
po.
one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Bukod po ba kay Mr. Ortonio, sino pa po bang kasama niyo sa sasakyan?
Driver po.
So there were 3 of you only.
2 pong sasakyan, ma'am.
2 drivers?
Opo, isa po ang nagda-drive sa akin, isang sasakyan. Tapos isang sasakyan po ang sinasakyan ni Asik Ortonio.
And were you seated, so you mean you are seated on different cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung isang sasakyan, ang kasama niyo po'y driver lang, and the other car, Mr. Ortonio and the driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Balikan ko po yung question ko, Miss Acosta. Hindi po ba kayo natakot, ninervyos, nag-alala? This is 125 million.
Natakot po, ma'am. Kaya nagpasama po ako kay Asik Ortonio po.
And do you believe that Asek Ortonio has the capability to secure not just you, but even the 125 million?
I believe po kasi lalaki naman po siya kaysa babae ang ikasama ko. Nag-convoy po kami, ma'am.
Yeah, usually, ang mga hold-uppers po, may mga barel. Tama po ba?
Yes
Si
po.
Mr. Ortonio po ba, does he have a firearm also?
Hindi ko po alam, ma'am, kung may dala siyang baril,
Then
ma'am.
what gives you the confidence na pagkasama nyo si Asek Ortonio, okay na kayo?
At least 2 sasakyan po, ma'am. Hiwalay. At least kung maano man, ma-hold up man, meron pang isa. Yan po ang nailagay sa isip ko, ma'am. Kaya takot.
So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, during the time that you were encashing the check, you are entertaining the possibility na baka kayo ma-hold up. That's why you said, kung ma-hold up man yung isa, may tirang isa. Do you confirm that?
Yes, ma'am. Yan po ang nasa isip
Miss
ko.
Acosta, kung ganun naman pala, na iniisip nyo na yung possibility of hold up, bakit hindi po kayo nagsama ng mga taong makakatulong nyo to secure the huge amount of money? Kayo po ba'y ilan doon sa OVP? Wala po bang security guard doon or security officers or perhaps the member of the security team of our Vice President who could have helped you secure this huge amount of money?
Meron naman po kaming security, ma'am. Pag dating namin sa office, nakaabang na po kung sino po yung in charge o sino po yung naka-duty na BPSPG po, ma'am.
But of course, you will agree with me that the danger lies not only at the entrance, not only at the bank, but in the entire thoroughfare leading to your office of the OVP. Tama po ba?
Yes po, pero
Balikan
dasal
ko
po
po
ako.
yung tanong ko kanina, Miss Acosta. Ang sabi niyo po kanina, iniisip niyo na habang nag-encash, kung ma-hold up yung isa, may tira pang isa. Bakit hindi po kayo nagdala ng security to help you secure the huge amount of money and even your life, Miss Acosta? Of course, we're watching news, di ba? Cellphone lang, namamatay na. Small amount of money lang, namamatay na. How much more this 125 million pesos, which apparently do not belong to you, but belong to the government?
kasi ang driver po namin, ma'am, ay member po siya ng BPSPG.
The
Isa-
driver is a member of the VP,
SPG.
SPG, and you believe that being accompanied by that driver is enough for you to secure that money?
At that time, yan po ang
Yun po
nasa
iniisip
isip
nyo?
mo. Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Kanina po nabanggit nyo, tinutulungan kayo ng mga security guard?
Opo, ma'am.
In what sense? Ano pong tulong ang ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga security guard ng Land Bank?
Pag ano po, pag ang pera nasa land bank na, pag karga po from land bank to sasakyan, sila po ang
Ang tulong po nila sa inyo ay para lang sa pagkakarga ng pera
Yes, ma'am.
from the teller's counter papunta sa
Sasakyan.
sasakyan.
Opo, ma'am.
Naalala niyo po ba kung sino itong mga security guard na ito?
Hindi ko maalala, ma'am. Pero
Do we have representative from Land Bank here?
Yes, they're present. May we invite the representative of Land Bank to please take a seat in front.
Kaya lang, iba na to. Iba to sa nag-testify. Sino? So, Bolivar. Kasi baka ano yun, that is OVP. Mr. Chair, I wish to direct my question to Land Bank. Kasama po ba natin yung teller na nag-assist kay Ms. Acosta? And I assume that...
Comsec,
Mr. Chair,
nakapag-vote na ba sila?
may iba yata tayong mga resource persons na bago. Maybe we can request that they take their oath, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, yes, in the morning, Your Honor. Administered already.
Okay, all of them? Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Jinky,
may we direct a question to the Land Bank Show Boulevard manager?
sino po ang Land Bank? Could you please state your name?
Your Honor, good afternoon. I am Violeta Constantino, the former branch head of Shaw Boulevard branch. I already retired from the service last January 2, 2024,
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Would you confirm, Ms. land bank manager that you were still there when Ms. Acosta did the encashment of 125 million check on December 20, 2022.
Yes, Your Honor.
And of course, this is a huge amount of money. I'm inclined to believe inassist po ninyo si Ms. Acosta. Did you?
Ang ibig niyo pong sabihin ng paglabas po ng pera
Inassist
outside
in
the bank
number one,
premises?
preparation of the cash, because during the previous hearings, it was testified to already that there is a limited amount of money that is being kept in your vault. But this is 125 million. So by inassist, number one, ma'am, nag-provide kayo ng sufficient amount of money to be able to support the encashment.
Yes,
And
Your
number two, since this is ample bundles that you have to organize in releasing the money, I suppose that there are people who assisted her also at Land Bank Show Boulevard. And even in putting all these luggages, these bags, in the cars or vehicles of the OVP. Did you provided all those assistance? Yes or no? Yes or no, ma'am?
No po.
No.
May
So,
I...
can you please enlighten
explain
us?
po?
Kwentuhan niyo po kami. Ano pong klaseng assistance ang binigay niyo sa OVP?
Your Honor, upon release po ng teller sa payee, bali po binibilang po yon by bundle, and then po nilalagay na po nila sa mga bags nila. So hindi na po namin nabibilang yon kung ilan
Sino pong naglalagay sa bags?
ang payee po.
Payee.
Opo,
Can
Your
you still recall kung ilan po ba yung nandoon who were putting all these bundles inside the bag?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your Honor.
Do you recall Ms. Acosta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you recall Mr. Ortonio?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay. So, after they placed all these bundles inside the 4 black bags, ano pong sunod na nangyari, or should I say, ano pong assistance ang provide nyo sa kanila?
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, may tumulong po sa kanila na ilabas po yung cash within the bank premises po.
And can you please be specific? Sino po bang tumulong sa kanila?
Hindi ko na po rin maalala, Your Honor. Kasi
Hindi
that
niyo po
was-
maalala?
Hindi na po.
At least can you tell us, ito po ba empleyado ng Land Bank o mga kasama po ba nila sa OVP?
Definitely po, yung minention po ni Ms. Gina Costa, hindi po security guards.
Hindi po security
Yes,
guards.
Your Honor.
So, you maintain your position, hindi tinulungan ng security guards ng Land Bank sina Ms. Acosta
Yes,
sa
Your
paglalagay ng 4 bags inside their vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor.
I wish to go back to Ms. Acosta. Can you please turn on your microphone?
Ma'am, yun po ang maalala ko na tumutulong po yung 2 guards ng Land Bank.
But we have the manager here, and she's saying that the security guards of Land Bank never assisted you in putting all those bags inside your vehicles.
Yun po ang maalala ko, ma'am.
Let's go to disbursement, Ms. Acosta.
Yes po.
I have another question for the bank manager. Ma'am, by policy, because you maintain your position na hindi tumulong ang mga security guard sa pagkarga ng mga bag sa sasakyan nila, Ms. Acosta, you said that.
Yes, Your
By
Honor.
policy po ba, inaalaw po ba talaga ang mga security guard to help the clients carrying these bags?
No, Your Honor.
That is a matter of policy.
Yes, Your Honor.
And if the security guards will help the clients in carrying these bags contrary to your policy, ano pong mangyayari sa security guards?
Matatanggal po siya sa ano niya.
And I suppose that they're very much aware of this.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Would you know, ma'am, kung sino po itong mga security guards who were duty during that time?
May kasama po kami ngayong isa po.
May we know the name of these security guards?
Si Head Guard Nino Bora po.
Nandito po sila ngayon, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you please identify yourself, yung mga security guard po na nandito?
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Nino Bora, security guard from Sio Boulevard Branch.
How many security guards do we have here?
Your Honor, I'm Crisanto Lorena from different branch, from DepEd po.
From different branch. Okay. We have one.
So Nino Bora was the security guard at Shaw Boulevard Land Bank on December 20, 2022 when Ms. Acosta encashed the 125 million check. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang duty nung mag-encash si Ms. Acosta.
Ako po yung duty pero hindi ko po maalala si Miss Acosta kasi normal po na maraming nagwi-withdraw po.
May naaalala po ba kayo na nung December 20 may tinulungan kayong kliyente para bitbitin ang bag?
Wala po.
Wala. Are you aware of that policy as shared by the bank manager? Alam niyo po ba yung polisiya ng bangko na ang mga security guard ay bawal tumulong sa pagbitbit ng bag?
100% po, yes.
100% you are aware.
Opo.
At kung humingi po ba sa inyo ng tulong, kunyari lang, si Ms. Acosta, pakitulungan mo nga ako, bitbitin natin itong bag, ikarga natin sakyan. Tutulungan niyo po ba?
Hindi po.
Ano pong dahilan? Bakit hindi?
Kasi po yun yung utos ng aming manager po.
Because it is bawal.
Opo.
And if you go against the policy, what will happen to you?
Matatanggal po kami sa trabaho na.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I wish to go back to Ms. Acosta. Ms. Acosta, this is 125 million. After encashment, you brought all of this to your office where you said you have 3 volts, 4-footer, 3 volts. Tama po ba?
Tama po, ma'am.
Okay. Magkano po kaya ang laman nung isang 4 feet na volt?
Magkakasya po ng 40 M.
40 M?
Opo.
Ang isang 4 feet?
Ang isa, magkakasya po ang 40 M.
Kasya.
Opo.
Sikip, sakto.
Sakto-sakto lang po.
Sakto po. So kung meron po kayong 3 volt, nung wala pa po ba itong 125 million na ito, wala bang ibang laman yung 3 volt nyo?
Wala pa po kaming vault nung wala pa kaming confidential funds.
So kailan lang po kayo nagkaroon ng confidential fund?
Year 2022 po.
Last quarter of
Yes po.
2022.
Yes
And
po.
would you confirm, kaya lang po kayo nagbumili? Tama po ba yon?
Yes,
Kaya lang po
ma'am.
kayo bumili
Yes,
ng
ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Na tig 4 feet ang laki
Yes, ma'am.
na volt ay bilang paghahanda dito sa inyong confidential fund.
Yes, ma'am.
Sabi niyo po kanina, ang isang volt ay naglalaman ng 40 million.
Yes po.
3 po yung volt. That will be equivalent to 120 million.
Yes po.
Saan niyo po nilagay yung labis na 5?
Pinagkasyahan ko po yung...
Siniksik nyo na po.
Oo, ganyan, sinisiksik.
Siniksik niyo na. And then, since part of your job as a special disbursing officer is the disbursement of this amount, please enlighten us. Paano niyo po ginastos, ibinayad, inirelease itong 125 million pesos?
Ganito po ang nangyari, ma'am. Nang ma-encash na po ang kwarta, ang pera, ay ang cheque, nag-inform po ang aking head of agency na i-release ko po sa aming security officer. So while on the way na po ako papuntang office, I called up the security officer informing him na na-encash ko na po ang cheque.
You informed the security officer?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you please mention the name of the security officer? Si Colonel Nolasco din ho ba yan?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Sino po yan?
Si Colonel La Chica po.
Colonel
La
Lachica.
Chica.
Can you
Opo.
please enlighten the committee? Sino po ba si Colonel Lachica?
Si Colonel La Chica po ay, siya po ang ground commander ng aming BPSPG na na-assign po sa Office of the Vice President.
Okay. So you inform Colonel La Chica that you have encashed already the check.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about the physical handing of the money? Kailan po nangyari yan?
December 20 din po.
Magkano po ang binigay nyo kay Colonel La Chica?
Binigay ko po sa kanya lahat ang 125 million po.
At saan po dinala ni Colonel La Chica?
Yan ang hindi ko na alam, ma'am.
Sandali lang po. Anong oras po ba kayo nakabalik sa OVP?
Mga around 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Opo.
How long did it take you to be able to organize the 125 million inside the 3 vaults?
Actually, ma'am, hindi ko pa po nalagay sa aking vault. Kasi pagtawag ko kay Colonel La Chica na na-encash na po ang cheque,
Kanina po sabi nyo, pinagsiksikan yung 125, di ba?
hindi po, ma'am.
You said that.
Ang interpretation ko po noon, ma'am, kung na-encash ang cheque, saan ko ilagay. Pero on that withdrawal, ma'am, tinawagan ko agad si security officer.
Okay, so you are saying now that the money were never placed inside the 3 vaults. Yun po ba gusto nyo sabihin?
Yes, ma'am. Yung withdrawal na po yun, ma'am.
Okay, sabi nyo po 4 p.m. kayo nakabalik ng OVP. Kung hindi nyo po pinasok dito sa 3 vaults, saan nyo po nilagay?
Doon po sa isang office po na nandoon yung vault. Pero hindi pa nailagay sa vault. Ang bag nandoon lang
Kanino
sa
po
office.
bang office yung tinutukoy nyo? Is that your office?
Extension office ko po, ma'am, na ako lang ang may susi.
Extension office, kayo lang ang may susi. Okay. You just place them on the floor? Ganun ho ba yun?
Pinasok ko, ma'am, sa floor kasi nagsagot man agad si Colonel La Chica na coming siya. Kasi
Okay.
dyan naman lang siya sa kanilang opisina.
Saan po ba ang opisina ni Colonel La Chica?
Yung sa Camp Aguinaldo, yung kulay blue.
And how close is this to the office of the Vice President, ma'am?
Siguro mga 20 minutes o 30 minutes
20
makarating
minutes
na siya.
drive. Kung kayo po ay nakarating dito sa OVP at around 4 p.m. at pagkatapos nyo pong dumating, nilagay nyo sa extension office just on the floor, the entire 125 million, hindi nyo pinasok sa vault, anong oras naman po dumating si Colonel La Chica?
Mga 4:30 po.
4:30.
Yes po.
At ano pong ginawa nyo dito sa pera pagdating ni Colonel La Chica?
Nagpunta po kami sa office na yon, i-open ko yung office, tapos nirelease ko sa kanya ang 125 million at pinareceive ko siya sa kanyang, may listahan po kasi siyang binigay po sa akin, ma'am, considering na kami po ang gumagawa ng physical and financial plan. After mga 2 weeks, nagbigay na po siya ng advance copy ng kanyang request for funding. Ang tawag ko noon, listahan ng kanyang object of expenditures po.
Listahan ng
Object of expenditures po.
object of expenditures.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. So ito pong listahan ng object of expenditures ibinigay sa inyo ahead of your encashment.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you please enlighten us? Kwentuhan niyo po kami. Ano pong nakalista dun sa object of expenditures, please?
Object of expenditures, programs, identify po yung mga programs or ano ang gawain niya. Tapos with
Ano po yung
corresponding
mga
amount.
programs, Miss Acosta?
Example po, yung program ng purchase of information, payment of rewards na may kaakibat na po na
You
amount.
must be referring to the accomplishment report, Miss La Chica. Miss Acosta.
Yes po, yun po ang binigay niya sa akin, ma'am.
Pag sinabi niyo po bang object of expenditure, ang tinutukoy niyo po ba accomplishment report?
Dili, ang ibig
Yes or no, ma'am? Pag sinabi niyo po bang object of expenditure, are you referring to the accomplishment report?
Yes po.
Yes. Eh, paano po kayo nagkaroon ng accomplishment report? Kaka-encash nyo pa lang.
Yun po ang binigay niya sa akin, ma'am. Kasi yung pong mga identified na object of expenditures, yan po ang ginagawa niya doon sa pag-implement po ng confidential
I
programs
understand,
and
Ms.
design.
Acosta. But if you will tell us that that object of expenditure pertains to the accomplishment report, I hope you are reminded, ang accomplishment report po ay saka ginagawa kapag fully implemented na lahat ng programs. Now, this brings us to a bigger question. Kaka-encash nyo lang? May accomplishment report na agad kayo? How can this be possible, Ms. Acosta?
Hindi pa po yung final na accomplishment report, ma'am. Ang basis ko
So,
lang po yun kung magkano po
Ilang
ang
klase
i-release
ho
ko sa
bang
kanya.
accomplishment report tayo meron? Isang final at isang hindi final? Is that what you want to tell us?
Yung binigay po niya sa akin is for me lang po at sa kanya. Para lang sa aming dalawa, ma'am. Hindi po yun yung final na accomplishment report after the implementation of the program under confidential funds po.
Okay, if you are saying that this is not yet final, then walk us through, enlighten us, narrate to us, ano ho bang pagkakaiba nung sinasabi niyong hindi final doon sa final?
Ang amount po, ma'am.
Amount.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, can you please be specific? Because we have here an accomplishment report for the last quarter of 2022. And since kayo naman po ang gumawa nito, and you prepared already for this hearing, I suppose, you are aware by heart kung anong laman ng accomplishment report na ito. Ano pong pagkakaiba nung hindi final sa final?
Yung amount po, ma'am. Example, yung payment of rewards.
Okay.
Tapos, yung...
Ano po yung hindi final na amount?
Yung amount...
Okay, to guide Miss Acosta, Secretariat, can we please flash the accomplishment report for the last quarter of 2022? At kung may sinasabi po kayong accomplishment report na hindi final, will you be generous enough to share it with us?
Wala po akong dala ngayon, ma'am.
Yes, but for the next hearing, will you be willing to submit it to the committee?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Ms. Acosta, we have here the final, I suppose, because this was provided by the COA, accomplishment report for the last quarter of 2022. Ang sabi niyo po, sa amount lang kayo nagkakaiba.
Yes po.
Can you enlighten us? Bakit po nagkakaroon ng disparity sa amount?
Kasi po, example po yung payment of rewards, ma'am. Ang nilagay, hindi ako makakita.
Secretariat, can we provide instead a copy? You were pertaining to payment of reward. Ang nakalagay po dyan is 10 million.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano po bang nakalagay doon sa hindi final?
Ang nilagay lang po niya doon is 8 million po.
Okay. How about the purchase of information?
So far, ito lang po ang aking maalala, ma'am. Ma-confirm ko sa'yo na 8,000 lang po ang proposed object of expenditure na binigay sa akin ni Sir La Chica.
Ms. Acosta, with your object of expenditure, would you confirm with me na kung anong items ang nakasulat sa object of expenditure, yun din po ang nakasulat dito sa accomplishment report. The only difference is with respect to the amount. Tama ho ba?
Tama po.
Tama. At ang inyo pong sinusunod ay yung object of expenditure na binibigay sa inyo ni Colonel La Chica. Tama din po?
For releasing po.
For releasing.
Opo.
But nevertheless, who prepared the object of expenditure?
Si Sir La Chica po, ma'am.
Sir La Chica. Kung si Sir La Chica po ang gumagawa ng object of expenditure at yun po ang sinusundan nyo sa pagre-release ng confidential fund, tama po bang sabihin na si Colonel La Chica ang nasusunod sa preparation ng accomplishment report?
Yes po. Pag binigay niya sa akin ang final na accomplishment report po niya, ma'am, after po, maubos na ang pera at na-implement na niya lahat ng maayos ang activities.
I will remind you of your answer, Ms. Acosta. Ang sabi niyo po, si Colonel La Chica ang nasusunod sa preparation ng accomplishment report. Tama po?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. I wish to direct your attention to the left bottom portion of this accomplishment report. It says, prepared by Special Disbursing Officer, Gina F. Acosta.
Yes po.
Is this not contradictory to what you said na ang nasusunod ay si Colonel La Chica?
Gibase, pag final ko nito, ma'am, gibase ko po to sa binigay ni Sir La Chica na final accomplishment report. So, kinokopya ko lang po.
Ibig sabihin, kayo po ay tagagawa lamang ni Colonel La Chica.
Hindi naman po.
So ano pong ibig sabihin nyo? Na ang sinusundan nyo ay kung anong gustong ipalagay dito sa accomplishment report, which is based on the object of expenditures provided by Colonel La Chica.
Ang nilagay po niya sa object of expenditures po, ma'am, ay in connection na po sa aming prepare ng financial and physical plan po. Kasi kasama ko po siya paggawa ng financial and physical plan.
Financial and physical plan. Sino po bang gumagawa ng financial and physical plan?
Ang nagdradraft po, ang nag-prepare ako po at si Sir La Chica.
Okay. Ano po ba ang trabaho ni Colonel La Chica? Malapit na po akong malito. Malapit ko na pong isipin ang disbursing officer ay si Colonel La Chica.
Hindi po.
What is the designation of Colonel La Chica, please?
Siya po ang aming security officer.
And a security officer, ano ho bang trabaho ni Colonel La Chica? Is it her job to prepare the financial plan?
Hindi po.
Is
Siya-
it her job to prepare the accomplishment report?
In the financial po, siya po ang magbibigay sa akin ng information or guide kung ano po ang magiging confidential activities po in relation sa confidential funds po na gagamitin.
I hope you realize, Ms. Acosta, that you are the special disbursing officer.
Yes po, ma'am. Alam ko po.
And part of your job is to prepare the financial plan.
Yes po.
As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature or the name of Colonel La Chica.
Yes po, pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all the projects included under confidential funds po.
If you're asking for the possible program, subject of expenditure, is it correct to say that you are soliciting some information only and not necessarily the one working with you in the preparation of financial plan? Magkaiba po yon.
Ang hinihingi ko po sa kanya, ma'am, is ano po, mga inputs po or guidance in preparation for the financial plan, especially related po sa confidential activities po.
Ms. Acosta, do you understand your job as a special disbursing officer?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very significant job
Yes, ma'am.
because it entails so much trust and confidence.
Yes po.
Because you are the one in charge of taking custody of the huge amount of money. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
As a matter of fact, to ensure the fidelity of this money, nire-require pa kayo ng fidelity fund, bond.
Ban.
Tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why do you keep on pointing to Colonel La Chica?
Kasi siya po ang may alam kung i-implement na po yung mga project under confidential plan. funds.
Who will be responsible in case this money is misappropriated? Who will be responsible in case this money is lost? Who will be responsible in case this money went to the wrong person? Sino po ba ang magiging responsable?
Ako po.
Because you are the special disbursing officer and not Colonel Lachica.